Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can create a virtual device in Android Studio for a Mac OS. For that, guys, just launch Android Studio. If you haven't seen my previous video, how to install Android Studio, you can go watch the previous video, how to install an Android Studio for a Mac machine. Click on the more actions, click on the arrow here, click on virtual device manager, create a device from scratch, click on this one. So click on phone, take anything, take let's say Pixel 9 Pro, click on next. So it will download 35 vanilla ice cream, Android version, click on next. So let the name be same. So you want in portrait mode, click on finish. So now it has installed Pixel 9 Pro API 35. Okay. Let me delete the first one. Okay, let me start this device. Launching emulator. So this is the look and feel of the device. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.